channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, come to Chanel with me. Their Metiers d'Art pre-fall 2020 collection dropped with a capital D last week. There will be an unboxing at the end of this video. Guys, are you ready? Let's go to Chanel. We know how I feel about the espadrilles. They are now doing patent. The black one, sorry if I'm a bit muffled, I'm wearing my mask. Those are actually really cute though, I will admit. The classic Chanel sneaker. That blue is fabulous. What is this like? It's like reflective, but it looks marbly. I love this one a lot. But the burgundy is fabulous. Love that. Do I need to get a pair? Maybe, possibly. This style I really don't care for, neither that. That is your PE gym shoe. That is a plimsoll. That's what that is. It's not a trainer, it's a plimsoll. These are new this season, and they're just like the Chanel version of the Balenciaga sock boot, really. I'm not mad about them. I'm just kind of like a little bit over it. Am I? Is that how I've determined? And then you have the classic white and black versions up there.
This is new as well.
Oh, the little thing, that's cute. Can I touch?
Yes.
Okay. That is very nice. It's lovely.
So that's the one. This one is something nice.
This is cute, very casual. Yeah.
And it's got the...
Oh, the nice, yeah, that's nice.
In general, they look funny.
So these are similar to the other ones, but they have... Oh, these ones are new. Yes.
No, they're old.
Oh, really?
We had them last year.
Oh, nice. I haven't seen that with the pearls.
Yeah.
That's nice. This one?
Yes.
That's lovely.
With jeans?
Yes. I saw it online and for some reason it didn't like pop. I just sort of dismissed it, but that looks beautiful. It's like neon pop, and that's beautiful.
Nice, like kind of neutral, but it's...
Exactly. A little bit of something. This little fellow is an equal parts cute, but also quite cheap looking. And I don't know why. It looks a bit, maybe because that, sadly, is looking a bit sad, but it's an interesting design. These are cute. 3-in-1.
So a card, and you can put your phone if you wish, just like that. And this is really good.
And then you have the phone thing across. Oh! That is adorable. Oh my gosh.
It's so nice.
That is just like, just with the top handle. That is fabulous. Oh my gosh.
So we have green, yes?
Oh, it's so much not. Oh yeah, that in the green. It's just such a great like shade. That is so nice. Oh my gosh, can I try it? Thank you. Is it for men's?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that they did it in green.
Yeah.
It's so interesting. The best way to carry it. Oh my gosh. Is this new or really? I've never seen that.
And I love the fact that has got the support at the bottom, so it's so
yes.
I love it.
Oh my gosh. And then
I know.
it even sounds fantastic.
Like a, yes.
That. Yeah, really, really like these. And then you have the CC on the toe.
Yes, which is discreet, huh?
Yes,
It's
exactly. Yeah. Let's unbox, shall we? Let's see if you know what it is. You probably know what it is. I mean, it was maybe kind of obvious what it was. You know what? I actually saw quite a few pieces that I haven't really looked at in detail, or I've just straight up dismissed. We have a this thing. Look at us. Look at us. Which season is this? This is not Metiers. This is spring summer 2020 ready to wear. Thank you so much. Wonderful. So many pictures of Kristen Stewart, who I feel 0 for. There were just so many things that I haven't really like looked at or thought about or been like, oh, could we possibly make this a thing? And I'm glad that I got that chance today. There have definitely been a piece or two added to the wish list. There is something else I do want to buy from this collection, but they just didn't have it in. I should have an unboxing on that for you soon, whenever that arrives. Pop the trunk. Yes, I ended up getting other winter boots. Now, here's the thing. I have been thinking, this is maybe like the 2nd or 3rd year that I have been wanting to get a pair of Chanel winter boots, and each time there's been something that doesn't feel right, or like, oh, I don't like that detail or whatever, that just has made me not make the jump, you know? But these are just the ones for me, you know? Sometimes it's like Cinderella. If the shoe fits. When it comes to like a fall winter situation, flats wise, the only options I have are sneakers. I really don't have anything that's like substantial and whatever. And sometimes the sneakers just aren't giving me the warmth that I need. So I thought, you know what? This is the piece that you just bring out time after time again. Oh, what's that? Do I feel a chill in the air? Get the Chanel winter boots out. It's time. These are a size 39. I am a size 39 usually, so they are true to size. The leather on this is really weird in that it almost looks kind of wrinkly, but I like it. It gives some texture. It's not as like clean cut, and that is really why I like these. They're very classic, but they have an edge. I mean, you have this glorious chain CC. Fun fact, I thought that this would have a popper, but it doesn't. It just secures the bag by itself. You've got these little chain detailings around the holes. You've got your little, what is that, a shoelace? And then you have the CC on the toe. Now, regarding the toe, I did think it was kind of round, but it's almost squared off a bit, if you can see, right? It's not round, this bit is kind of square. So it didn't give me the clown vibe that I was expecting it to. It looks great on the foot. I anticipate to wear this with leggings. Oh, you know me, I love a legging vibe in the full winter. This is gonna match my Chanel 90. Good evening, friends. What is that? Do I hear a match made in heaven? Yes. Wow. Truly a no-brainer. Picture this. These Gucci tights and like A-line-y black mini skirt situation, you know? Editing Cassie. I forgot to mention price. Okay, so these were £1,220, which from the winter boots that they've dropped this season are the most expensive of this kind of thing. There's ones at like 1,170, 1,160, but these, I don't know why. Maybe because that chain CC, maybe just because they knew this is the one that everyone wanted and they decided to squeeze a few more pennies out of us. And I love these, and to be very honest with it, I just can't wait for the temperature to drop a bit. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you saw anything in the vlog that you were like, hello, love that. I'm going to link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.